Guys, once again you all are welcome to our channel. So if you really want to learn AutoCAD, so please watch this video completely. Don't skip this video until its end, and no problem, I will give you much more AutoCAD tricks and some amazing commands in the middle and the end of this video. So while I'm drawing my plan or the things which I'm going to teach you today in this topic, so in that you will learn many more things regarding AutoCAD. So as I already told you in my previous class, that in previous class I have attached this all in white color because at that time I was not able to change the color and everything, like here you can see this is cooktops, so like this. But today I have a video that you can change these colors from white to your desirable one. So before going to the class, so I want to tell you that if you want to add some furniture in your drawings, so you have downloaded from my description box. If you download this in my from my description box, you can get it. Now you will not get in the same format, you will get in the some group format, like this is in the color which I have made recently, but you will not get in this same color, you will get in white color. So I will tell you the all the things which you can see. So see, if you cut this, now if you have downloaded, so if you have download, then your download file will be in downloads. You can see this is your some of this, like this way you can see this, means this is your. So like this way, like dining, means my main motto to tell you that if you download from my tips description box, you will get in this WinRAR file. From that you need to extract the furniture like cooktops, dining, statue, everything. So you will get in this, as I already explained you in my previous class. You can see if you have opened this like this, you will get not this type of. So you just go to insert, go for this. You can see these all are in white color, so you need to change its color in this color. So you just go and select it. You can see it's very small. Select it, go for quick properties. You can do, but you need to increase its scale. So how you could select it, go for a scale command, and now click it once. Now drag it like this. Now I need to change its color. So how could I see? If I click it once and now I need to change its color, it's not changing. You can see it does not change. You know why it's not changed? Because this is a block, means this is a group. So if you need to means change its color, then you need to separate it, means if you click it, it's a joint part, it's not a separate part, so you cannot able to change its color. So now what you do means just select it. How you select? By clicking once anywhere of this. Now go for explode command, x, enter. Now you can see you are able to, once you click, you are able to edit this. Now you want to change its color, just go and drag it once, click, and as you know the how to selection of this, just drag it. Now you need to change its color, escape it. Now you can see you have changed its color. So this is the best way if these things applies to all. So the main thing I need to tell you that go for insert, just go for block. So in here, now blocks from other drawings. So here there is a cooktop, so I need to change its color. So how could I? Just drag it. So you can see I have dragged it, and you can see this is the smaller one. Just go for a scale command, just drag it. You can see this is your cooktops. So if you click it, it's not separated, it's a group. So I need to explode it. You can see now, whatever you want to, you can do. Just go for this, just go for home, go to home and change its color like yellow. Escape it. Now you can see. Now you need to, whichever the things you need, you just go and go for M command, just go and select it. Wherever you want to drag, you can see. I have already kept here, so here no need. Like this, just go and delete this. This is the main motto of teaching you that how to change its color of block. So this is the very important topic that I have explained you. So do not do some extra things. Means if you are not able, just comment me, I will solve you your problem. So I have already attached these all blocks in my description box of my previous videos. So I hope that you are doing well. So you have that much only problem, you are not able to change its color. So now your problem has been solved as I expect from you that. So if you really like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.